Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
How to rename folders using command prompt. I have a folder on my desktop called Projects, which contains two different folders, Project1 and Project2. In this video, I will show you how to rename these folders using command prompt. In the Windows search bar, type CMD. Click on the command prompt from the results. A command prompt window will open on your desktop. Since the project folder is on the desktop, first we need to move into the desktop folder. So type cd desktop and press enter. Now you are inside the desktop folder. Now to move into the projects folder, type cd projects and press enter. Now you are inside the projects folder. Now let's rename project1 folder to A to Z how. Type run space project1 space A to Z how. This will instantly rename the folder project1 to A to Z how. If the folder name has spaces, use quotes. For example, to rename the folder project2 to Kidz Education, type run space project2 quotes Kidz Education. As you can see, project2 folder is now renamed to Kidz Education. This is how you can rename folders using command prompt. Thank you for watching.